He's dead!
Lord, what are you doing? Penny, have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
Eponine, you're grown. There's something wet upon your hair. Eponine, you're hurt. You need some help. God's everywhere.
Don't you let Monsieur Marius? I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. You will keep me close. The rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will make me, dear God above. If I can close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
The rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies get clear and rest. A breath away from where you are. Come home from so far. Don't you let you so let. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now.
I'm here.
It's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers. She is the first to fall, the first to walk on this barricade. Her name was Eponine. Her life was cold and dark, yet she was unafraid. We fight here in her name. She will not die in vain. She will not be betrayed.